Let's see the next MCQ. Okay, in man cryptorchidism is a condition. Okay, now we have a 4 option, and out of that we have to select one. Okay, normally you all know that testis descendant into the scrotal sac. Okay, now what is the mean of scrotum? Okay, scrotum is nothing but it is a sac like structures, or it is a thin skin like structures. Okay, which is present at the extra pelvic region. Okay, why it is a thin, and why it is a present at the extra pelvic region? Because it has to store a particular testes. Okay, it has to be keep particular testes into it. Okay, and that's why scrotum is present. Now the development, during the development of that particular child or fetus, the in the 7th month of the gestation period, testes descended in the scrotal sac. Okay, for the reason behind that, testes require low temperature. Okay, testes require low temperature, low body temperature for the spermatogenesis process. Normally you all know that the body temperature normally we have of 37 degrees Celsius. Okay, but for the spermatogenesis process, testes required lower body temperature. Okay, lower than body temperature. Okay, and that's why it descend from the abdominal region into the extra pelvic region. Okay, and that is a aim, or that is a main reason by which testes descend into the scrotal sac. Okay, so cryptorchidism is a condition when testes fail to descend into the scrotal sac. Okay, now when testes fail to descend into the scrotal sac, the testis is not there into the scrotal sac, and that's why spermatogenesis process will not be taking place there. Okay, and sperm production will be not there. Okay, so let's read the particular option. Okay, testis does not descend to the scrotum. Okay, this will be our correct answer. There are two testes in each scrotum. Okay, that is not you all, there is a normally fracture. Okay, so we have a two scrotum, and in each scrotum there are two testes is located. Okay, there are two testes in each scrotum, that is also correct. But what is the question? Okay, the question's answer is nothing but testes does not descend to the scrotum. Okay, let's see the another option as well. Okay, testes degenerate into the scrotum. Okay, no, testes doesn't degenerate into the scrotum. Testes enlarged in the scrotum. Okay, so these all the this nothing but is that Vyadhi like condition. Okay, so it may be the situation where the testis degenerate into the scrotum, or testis may be enlarged into the scrotum. This is the pathological condition. Okay, but our main answer is nothing but testis does not descend into the scrotum. Okay, thank you.